What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to load or install Unpacked extensions in your Google Chrome browser. This is a great way to test your own extensions or troubleshoot any issues before you publish them. First, open up your Chrome browser. Next, click on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of the window to access additional options, and then select Extensions. Alternatively, you might see the extensions icon directly next to your pinned extensions. If so, click on it and choose Manage Extensions. This will open a new tab displaying a list of your enabled and disabled Chrome extensions. On the Extensions page, locate and click the Load Unpacked button. This will prompt you to select a folder from your computer. Navigate to the folder that contains your Unpacked extension files. It's important that this folder includes all the necessary components, such as an icons folder and a manifest file. Currently, Chrome requires the manifest to be updated to version 3 to improve security and performance. After selecting the appropriate folder, Chrome will load your extension and you will see it appear in the list. This allows you to test the extension and verify that everything is working as expected. If you make any changes to the extension's files, remember to click the Reload button on the extensions card to update it with the latest modifications. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.